to my channel. Did you see the yellow gum video yet?
Yeah.
I'm eating it right now. So, if you saw that, comment down below.
What
if you
was
saw that. And if you subscribed, comment down below and said, I subscribed. So, we have a bowl of water here. And we have the same gum from last time.
Yeah, now.
We're going to put the orange soda mixture in it.
Okay, let's get started. Boom.
Okay, he's going to put a little bit in the water.
Show it to me.
Okay.
So, there you go. I got a little rip in. I'll tell you guys when I get it open. Pause it.
Okay, he got it open. So now he's going to put a little bit in, and I'm going to put a little bit in.
The shadow, baby, and it's still snowing.
Oh, shadow's out there, buddy.
Okay.
Oh, right there. You can see him.
Okay, now we're going to put it in.
Yeah, hold on. Ready? Whoa!
Oh my God!
Whoa!
Look at this thing.
Whoa, it looks red, but...
Look at it, guys.
Whoa!
So orange and it smells.
Oh, yeah. Now I'm going to put a little bit in.
Mix it.
Smell it. Smell it. Oh, it smells like orange.
Of course it does. Okay,
Yeah.
now put it half, all of it in now. Whoa. Whoa, guys.
Okay, I've got the mixture all mixed in.
Okay. Okay, so,
It looks like a weird design.
yeah, look.
So now I'm going to put it.
Oh, it really smells. Oh, we spilled it. Okay,
Okay.
hold it.
No.
Just two.
Oopsie.
Just two. Stop. Two.
Okay, now I'm going to... I think the camera is upside down. I don't know.
Okay, guys. There's no gum in here. Oh, yeah, there is.
Say ah.
Okay.
So,
Oh no. Oh, look, guys, I got a gum.
I got a gum.
Good.
Let me try. Where's the
Say ah. What? Say that again.
Ready?
Yep.
Ready? I'm gonna taste it. Got it.
At first, it tastes like orange, but now.
Oh my God!
Guys, now she's gonna hold the camera. So
Okay.
guys, I'm gonna drink water when I'm doing.
I just did that. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it now.
So guys, that was the video. Short
Want
video.
some blood?
That was a short video. I hope you guys
You guys want some blood?
enjoyed this video.
Wait, guys, look at.
Say that I subbed, and we'll see you guys all
You
tomorrow.
said sub.
Yeah, that's a short saying subscribe.
Want some blood?
Bye guys.
Look in the bowl.